Good evening, everybody. This is Matt with the Low Cash Homestead, and tonight I'm going to show you, or this afternoon, I'm going to show you a little hotbox thing that we're working on. So I got this idea from another YouTube video, and I will put that on the end card so that you guys can find it. We did ours just a little bit different. We're using a clear tote as a hotbox. And what we did is we mounted our clear tote on I had a piece of junk plywood laying around. And so we mounted our tote lid on that with a screw in each corner. And then I made it a little longer than the tote, punched a couple of holes in it, and put some nylon rope in there. That way I can carry it around or I can bring it inside easily if I need to. What I have here is a bag of dirt. This is Earth Grow potting mix. I like this stuff because when you open it up, it just has that smell of good dirt to it. This dirt is also pretty cost effective. You can get a cubic foot for like less than $3 at most of your Wally Worlds. And so the way this works is you have your lid and then you have your dirt, and your dirt kind of sits on top of your lid. I'm going to roll my edges down a little bit. Now I wasn't sure if this was going to work despite the other creators' videos, so I went with the cheapest tote I could get, which was like a $5 Mainstays Walmart tote. And here's the top of it here. And so all I'm going to do is I'm going to take, this is one of my seed mixes here. I actually get this from True Leaf. It's a very popular microgreens blend, but we're going to grow it out this time as a set of greens. And this is our base salad mix. This has broccoli, kale, kohlrabi, arugula, and red cabbage in it. And if I can get the thing open, there we go. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sew this like right onto the bag. And with this stuff, man, I have a tendency to do it in pretty high densities. When you're doing the microgreens, you definitely do it in high densities. And so maybe it's a little bit thick for what we're doing here, but I won't know until it starts to grow. Probably not. And if it's a little too thick, then we'll just thin it out a little bit. And in fact, that was the rest of our seed mix for that salad blend. And then all I'm going to do is now I surface sow when we do greens, I surface sow them. And then so what we're going to do now is we're just going to take this lid, which is actually the tote because the lid became the bottom, which we attached to this piece of plywood. I'm just going to take this tote, a little bit of balance on my sawhorses there, and then we'll clip that in. Clip that in, you can probably hear it snap. And now I have a portable little hot box, and like I said, I added this plywood and these ropes specifically because I knew that this lid was not going to support the weight of that dirt. So now I can carry it around pretty easily if I need to bring it inside or anything like that. I have another couple little hot boxes that I built out of some glass and some clear acrylic trays that I had, and then this one we actually bought this tote. This was a just like a $5 tote. This is polypropylene. If you look at the recycling icon here, it is a number 5 recycling icon with a PP. So that means this tote is made out of polypropylene, and that's how we built our little hot box. This is Matt with the Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. If you're watching this on Instagram, then go over to YouTube and search The Low Cash Homestead. That's all one word, but each word is its own word, The Low Cash Homestead. Go over to YouTube, search The Low Cash Homestead. You can also visit our website, which is thelowcashhomestead.com, and see more about how we do things here at The Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. Have a good day.